Welcome and good evening. I am broadcasting to you not so live from beautiful St. Augustine, Florida. I happen to find myself here for my day job, working at a local manufacturing plant doing my technician thing. I'm bored and I want to play with my truck, so here I am. This is the new 3D printed RC rock crawler course that I made. It's compatible with most 124, 1/18 scale rock crawlers. This is the Traxxas TRX4M that I'm driving, and it's purely stock. Let's take it around the course. I've been setting it up here on the hood of my car, and the slight angle that it throws it all on makes it a whole different ball game than when it's just on the ground. This has been part of the challenge coming up on that angle. It's been an intentional challenge. Total twist. There you go. Now we'll go down the uneven stepping stones to the slightly curved road, and you can't probably see it from there, but it's very like this. I have other videos on my profile. Check them out if you're interested. The key with this part is to keep the front tires lined up on the wheels until you're about here. Then you go straight. So you're going to drop a tire, but the idea now is to keep the right front tire around the outer edge of the outer bank. Just I've gotten a little better at this now. This is the hardest part. Clean? Yeah. Well, maybe not the cleanest, but still getting better at this. You should totally get an RC rock crawler. They're so much fun.